Well, let me just get something done first. Let's see. First, the music. The Hamilton people probably won't have me doing this. And then let's just see some post-its out of the way. My planner. Golly. Okay. So, hi. Welcome to this week's new releases. I have 3 or 4 if you, yeah. Okay, I have 3 or 4. You decide when I'm done. Releases this week. It's these lettered boxes, half boxes. I printed just the K and the R and the O. The Norwegian O, last letter of the alphabet. I use these for the kid whose first name starts with a K, and the husband whose first name starts with an R. When I do like things that has to do with them instead of only me, or, well, let's see. Here's my planner for this week, the pre-plan, and well, the R's and the K are to mark that the husband is gone that day, and that the kid has stuff that's happening on these days. It's so that I'll know whether or not I have to, I don't know, make dinner for only me or for the entire family or just for me and the kid, or, you know. So these are my multicolored, the same as my multicolored items always. There are 16 boxes in each sheet, and they have 1 letter in each box, and I have the 29 letters of the Norwegian alphabet from A to O. So that's that. If you ask, I will probably be able to make stickers with other letters as well, you know, Swedish or, you know, yeah, whatever letter you want, really, probably. But this is how they look. Of course, I printed the K and the R because I'll probably use them, and the O just to show you. So that's that, and then I have this sheet of multicolored book stacks. I don't know, they are, I just decided that I wanted this somehow. I just decided. It's the same multicolored-ish. No, it's not. It's 6 colors, right? No. Sorry. There's 8 colors and there's 2 grays. And 2 stacks of books of each color. That makes 20, right? 20 stickers. Oh man, I'm so bad at math. Anyway, like I have in my main channel, I sometimes do book vlogs. So that's probably what I'm going to use these for. And also, you know, if you finish a book, or if you, I don't know, if you work at a library, you could use these to mark work. I don't know. Yeah, so that's those. And then I have a new kit that I am calling Blizzard. My Blizzard kit, and I use that for my pre-plan this week. Well, this and some deco from, I don't know when I bought it. It's a Frozen deco sheet from Two Little Bees, I think. I just felt like they work with the winter theme. Like, yeah, it does. So yeah, I used my kit plus that deco sheet. I think I bought it in some sort of mystery bag or maybe a misfit. I don't know. something. I didn't like put that, whatever. So yeah, that's that, and this is how it looks. This is the vertical version. The deco that I have made in this kit is these snowflakes, and we've got deco, some functional stuff, weekend banner, and then there are checklist boxes, full boxes, half boxes, habit trackers, and some icons, and headers and little things, and washi, bottom washi, and washi strips. So that's that. And then that's the vertical kit, and then the horizontal kit looks like this. There are the same amount of deco in this, right? Yeah, it is. It's the same deco. God. Sometimes I'm just totally out of it. It's the same amount of deco, but other than that, I think that I made a lot of stuff. I made some stuff that is unique for the horizontal, right? Didn't I? I think I did. Like, I haven't really been gotten used to my own kit yet. Yeah, look at this. It's sort of something is different. Yeah, the swimmer is not in the swimmer, and the heart is not in the vertical version of the kit. So that's sort of the difference. It's that sheet, and then this sheet with the appointment labels, quarter boxes, whatever you want to call it, habit trackers and checklists, and then it's this washi and some headers, and these I sized these to sort of fit to cover up the little page flag in the corners. Just because I needed something there. And then full boxes. So yeah, that's these. They are up in my store right now. This has been an announcement. So these are my new releases for this week, and tune in, I guess, later. Stay tuned for more releases next week, and also I'm working on my plan with me. I'm not sure why I didn't actually do that on Monday. I probably just have too much on my plate right now. We'll see. Okay, that's it. Goodbye. Toodles.